In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Steam only show games that support your operating system. This is a really useful setting if you want to avoid seeing games you can't actually run on your device, and it can make browsing the Steam store a lot cleaner and easier. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner and click Steam. This opens the main Steam menu where you can access a lot of store and account settings. From there, click Store on the left menu. This takes you into the Steam Store area where Steam shows recommendations, search results, and platform-specific preferences. Now, look for the option called Platform Preference. Next to it, you should see a Manage link. Click Manage to open the platform settings. Inside the platform preference settings, you'll see a list of operating system options. Select the operating system you want Steam to filter for. For example, if you're on Windows, choose Windows, choose. If you're on Mac, choose Mac, and if you're on Linux, choose Linux. This tells Steam to prioritize games that are supported on that OS. Once you make your selection, Steam will update its store behavior so it only shows games that support the platform you picked. That means you'll spend less time checking compatibility and more time finding games you can actually play. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference if you want a cleaner store experience. If you ever want to change this later, just come back to the same platform preference section and choose a different operating system, or update the setting again based on your needs. That way, you can keep Steam matched to the device you're using. And that's it. You've now set Steam to only show games supported on your OS. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.